So as you can see, I have the ATOTO S8 Standard 2nd generation installed in my Saab 9.5, and it looks rather pretty. With its physical buttons, which are always a really big plus the fact you have a USB on the front here as well, as I mentioned earlier in the video. You will see on the camera here that you can see quite a lot of reflection in the screen. You might think that's bad, but it actually isn't, because when you're looking from above, you don't see all the light hitting the screen, so it's not an issue. And when I switch it on, you'll understand why that's not a problem either. Right, let me turn it on and I'll show you what we have here. So the ignition's been turned on, instant on, great. Now the instant on happens if you have had the head unit on at some point in the last few hours, so that you don't have to wait for it to boot up. The boot up time is ridiculously fast, and that includes the Saab logo that comes up when you turn it on. So you can choose the logo of your car and it will come up as the loading sequence when it's cold booting. But when it's hot booting, like I just did now, instant on, perfection.